Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Plan B Life with me Sangeet. This video is specially for you guys for the occasion of Diwali, and in this video you're going to be seeing the recipe of instant dry fruit burfi and chocolate burfi. It is going to be a simple recipe. It is very similar to the doodh peda recipe that we've already seen. So let's get started, and before that let me show you how it looks. So this is the dry fruit burfi that I've made, and this is the chocolate burfi that I've made. And before we move forward, please take a moment to subscribe my channel and share it with your friends if you like the video. Thank you so much. The ingredient for this recipe is very simple: milk powder, sugar, milk, some nuts and ghee. So we'll begin with 2 cups of milk powder. I'm preparing the chocolate burfi and the dry fruit burfi in the same mixture. I'll just divide it in the end. So 2 cups of milk powder. For that we'll need 1 cup of warm milk. Then we'll add about 2 to 2.5 teaspoons of ghee and then give it a good mix with a whisk. After that I'll add around 1 cup of powdered sugar. If you don't want to add sugar, you can add jaggery syrup, stevia or anything you like. It is very similar to the doodh peda recipe we have already seen. Now I'm adding the sugar. And also guys, watch the video till the end. There is a little surprise in the end. I'm sure you don't want to miss it. After whisking the mixture very nicely, we'll keep the kadai to heat. See, this should be the consistency. Now we'll keep the kadai on a low flame. And the meanwhile we'll prepare the tin for the burfi in which we'll set it. This is just an aluminum cake tin. I'm going to grease the tin with some ghee and place a butter sheet on that so that it is easier to set. I'll make the dry fruit burfi in this tin, and for the chocolate burfi I'm going to use a silicone mold that I have. My son is very fond of this mold, so I'm going to make this chocolate burfi in this mold. And for the dry fruit burfi I'm going to grind almonds and cashews. There's just handful of almonds and handful of cashews. We'll just powder it. Now the kadai is hot. We'll pour this mixture. And you know the drill guys, you just have to keep stirring the mixture till it forms a good dough like consistency and starts leaving the pan. It will take about 7 to 8 minutes for that, but keep stirring because it will stick to the bottom otherwise. Since I was very serious with the process, my husband, the cameraman, told me to smile at once at least. So that is why that sly smile. So it has started to thicken. It is about 4 to 5 minutes. And we'll have to keep mixing it for another 4 to 5 minutes to get the desired burfi we want. And you can add your own creativity to the burfi. This is just a plain burfi, instant burfi. You can do any amount of creativity with this. You can add coffee powder, chocolate powder together, any kind of nuts you like, any kind of fruit purees you like. It is very subjective and it is up to you on how you want to make it. I'm adding elaichi powder for the flavor. Keep mixing it, and we will know that when it starts to leave the sides of the pan, we will know it is done. See, now it has started to leave the sides of the pan. Also, one more way to check is take a small amount in your hand, and if you can hold the shape, then it is done. Now I'm going to divide this as I said before. So I'm taking some amount in a separate bowl in which I'll make the dry fruit burfi, and to this I'll add about 2 tablespoons of chocolate powder. This is not cocoa powder, this is chocolate powder for the chocolate burfi. Just give it a good mix and let it stay for around 30 seconds so that the chocolate powder gets mixed with the base barfi mixture very well. See, now it has come to a good form. See, it is holding the shape. It has become like one slimy dough. That is what you're looking for. I've turned off the gas. And to this mixture, I'm adding the almonds and cashew powder that I had made, around 3 tablespoons, 3 to 4 tablespoons. You don't have to cook the nut mixture, so it is just, you just have to give it a good mix so that all the nut powder is mixed with it. See, it is ready. Now I'm going to take this out on the greased tin that I had and level this properly and give it a good thickness and pat it equally in all sides. Now I'm going to garnish it with some pista, chopped pista, and just pat the pista into the barfi so that it doesn't come out when we try to cut it. Now this is going to be refrigerated for 1 hour to let it set. If you don't want to refrigerate it, you can keep it outside for about 2 to 3 hours and then cut out the barfi. For the chocolate barfi, I'm greasing the mold with some ghee and I'm going to add pista into the base of the mold. I'm going to add pista only in 7 to 8 molds, and rest of it I'll just leave it plain. Now we'll spoon the chocolate barfi mixture into the mold. So since it is a small mold, it is very tricky to spoon inside it, so I'm going to use my fingers and the spoon. See, it is ready, and I'll keep this in the refrigerator for 1 hour and then we'll take it out. So after setting it for 1 hour in the fridge, I'm going to demold it. Just pat it and it'll come off that easily. Just remove the butter paper, and after removing the butter paper, we are going to make pieces out of this barfi. So I had taken 2 cups of milk powder. So I had got around 8 pieces of dry fruit barfi and around 15 small chocolate barfi. You want to increase the quantity, you can. It is up to you. See, the dry fruit barfi is ready in no time. Enjoy this Diwali with some instant sweet like these. See. And demolding this is very simple. Since it is silicone mold, you just have to push it from the bottom and it'll pop up. That is it. See, cute rose shaped molds with the chocolate barfi in it. See, it is ready. It was very simple. Believe me, it tastes really good, and you will see the proof in just a few seconds. Here my surprise guest reviewing my dish. Hi guys, today we have a very special guest on my channel, and let's see who is it. Rudansh, come here.
Chocolate.
Yes, chocolate barfi.
Banana.
Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Bolo.
Hi.
Bolo happy Diwali.
Happy birthday.
No, happy birthday. Happy Diwali.
Hi.
Happy Diwali.
Hi.
Hi guys, this is my son Rudransh, and today he's gonna taste the barfi and let us know how it tastes. Okay? Yes. Oh, okay. So Rudransh is going to taste our chocolate barfi. Rudransh, taste the barfi and let me know. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. How it is? How is it? Yummy or no?
Yummy chocolate.
Yummy chocolate barfi.
Yummy chocolate.
Thank you. So you guys, you had the verdict from my son straight. I hope you like the video, and make sure you make this for Diwali and enjoy it with your family and friends. Wishing you all a very, very prosperous Diwali ahead. Be safe, stay safe. Thank you and keep loving.